Mastering prepositions. On, for surfaces. Hello, English language learners. Welcome back to our series on grammar fundamentals. Today, we're diving deeper into the exciting world of prepositions, focusing specifically on prepositions of place. We're tackling the usage of on for surfaces. Remember, prepositions can be tricky, but once you understand how to use them, they can drastically improve your English language skills. Firstly, we need to get a solid understanding of the preposition on. In English, we use the preposition on to indicate position or location, often referring to a surface of something. So, when you want to express that something is located on the surface of something else, on is the word to use. Now, let's move to specific examples of how to use on for surfaces. We say, for example, the book is on the table, or she put the keys on the shelf. These sentences demonstrate that the objects, the book, the keys, are positioned on the surface of other objects, the table, the shelf. The use of on is not just limited to physical surfaces. It extends to certain expressions as well. For example, we say, it's on the menu, when we want to tell that a certain dish is available in a restaurant. Or, the painting is on display, means the painting is placed somewhere where people can see it. These examples show that the use of on can be quite versatile and context-dependent. The preposition on is commonly misused, especially by non-native English speakers. A common mistake is using on where in is appropriate. For example, one should say, I am in the car, not, I am on the car, unless you are literally sitting or standing on top of the car. Remember, it's all about indicating the correct relationship between objects or people. Well, that's it for today's lesson on the usage of the preposition on for surfaces. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use on in your everyday English conversations or writings. You'll be surprised at how quickly you'll master it. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.